Welcome. This meditation finds you after a stressful day of work. So please get very comfortable in a place where no one will disturb you for the duration of this session. Make any adjustments with your position so that you can relax fully and deeply. It is time to wind down after the long day of hard work that you put in. So let's begin by breathing deeply and slowly, filling your body with air. And as you exhale, send a signal to all of your muscles to let go and relax. Again, breathe in, and as you exhale, tell your muscles to let go. Allow your shoulders to sink down. Let your neck become loose. Feel your legs settling in. They have nowhere to take you. Notice how your arms are hanging heavy by your sides, and your fingers can unwind any tension. Take another breath in, and as you exhale, sink down into relaxation. Become aware of your facial muscles and allow your forehead to melt away any tension. Just by placing your awareness here, your muscles let go. Bring your attention to your temples, relaxing, completely enjoying this moment. If you haven't already, close your eyes and notice the relaxation behind your eyelids. The peaceful darkness. Move your awareness to your lips. Feel them softening. And now to your jaw. Loosen any tension here. Let your jaw relax. Everything that you've done until this moment is enough. You don't have to do anything else today. All that is needed from you is relaxation. Take another deep breath on your own. Imagine that the oxygen is sending signals to every part of your body to let go even more. Loosening, becoming calm and serene. Tomorrow is a new day. You have a fresh start to make the right choices that push you towards success. Each time you make the choice to do the right thing, it boosts your confidence. Every time you say no to a bad habit or something that takes your energy, you feel proud. The new day that you are gifted tomorrow is a blessing. Use this gift to dedicate it towards your life goals. Breathe in again the power of motivation and say to yourself, I am easily motivated to work towards my goals. I make the right choice every time. Each day, I do just enough, and then I relax. I accomplish so much every day that I put my heart into it. Good. Let's continue breathing. You can breathe however you like, deeply, or just like a normal rhythm of breath. Place all of your focus on your breathing. Feel how the air comes in through the nose with a coolness. And when you exhale, it has been warmed. Notice how your ribs and lungs expand with the air and contract as you relax even more. Feel the belly rise as you inhale and gently fall as you exhale. Notice how the breath is like an endless circle of air coming in and out. If your mind wanders away from thinking about the breath, bring it back to whatever you wish to focus on about breathing. And your mind will wander. It is what the mind does best. But it is you that's in control. So lead it back to the breath. You have no work to do right now. You have done all you need to do for the day. It is very soothing to do nothing. it is very healing to have nowhere to be. It is comforting to know that in this moment, no one needs you. You can just be. Let your mind drift to whatever it wants to now. You don't have to focus on your breathing any longer. But can you watch your awareness? This means simply observing what the mind is doing. Where does your awareness sit? Perhaps your attention comes to my voice when I speak. Where does it go after that? You may focus on things in your surroundings, such as noises, or becoming aware of your location in the world. Or you could be remembering things. You could be planning things in your mind for the future. Your awareness can drift to sensations in the body. Notice where your awareness is. Be an observer of your own life experience. Let's cultivate the power of motivation, the desire or willingness of someone to do something. What is the reason you have for acting and behaving in a particular way at your work? What is your purpose? You could be motivated to work for financial reasons. You could be motivated to work for social reasons. Your motivation to work can be to help others. Whatever motivates you is perfectly fine. Ask yourself, what motivates me? Let's finish this meditation with an affirmation. Repeat after me. I believe in the power of myself. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes with a newfound excitement to go to work the next morning.